what you likely just saw was the footage from our Wheel Wednesday meet, and that was cool. If you followed the Instagram, right there, you would have seen those pictures or some pictures from that event on Wednesday. Taking a minute out of work to run over to UPS to pick up a package because they don't do Saturdays or Sundays. So as you know, we've been working on the car. We're working on the RSX, and we're working on the body. We're gonna take a step back from performance just for the time being so we can make it look beautiful. But in order to do that, we need to address the damage from whatever accident, whatever it was in. If you wanna know more about that, it's in the cards now. Before we could do the body work, we kinda need to have all of our parts kinda mocked up or make sure they fit, work them. The A Spec kit that I have, the rears and the side skirts are OEM, but I couldn't get a front lip from Acura, or you know, like an OEM one. So I got an aftermarket, which is what we're gonna go pick up now. Hard to see, but it's a big honking box. Massive. Which is a good thing. Oh look, a competitor. Alright, we got the box. We're gonna go back home right after we grab some lunch. I'll show you a little more. So that's what's to expect with the Ikon kit, I guess. I mean, that fits there good, but it's gonna have to be wrapped pretty hard around that bend there just to even get it to have the same contour, because like if I match this side pretty closely with the contour of that bumper, it leaves us miles off over here. So I mean, that's gonna put a lot of flex on that center part. We'll do a little research and talk to a couple people who have the Ikon lip, but at this point I don't know if I'm gonna keep it because it does not look like it's a good piece at all. I was hoping for better quality, but I guess for a plastic piece that you pay 60 bucks for, that's pretty much what you get. So there's not a lot of like that way flex either. It has rotational flex, but not a lot of like vertical, like side to side. So I don't know what to do here, but I'll do a little bit of research, talk to a few people, and then we'll go from there. But at this point, if anybody has a legit OEM front lip for a 2002 2004 Acura RSX A Spec lip, hit me up. I know we're not getting a lot done here, but we are working on things. So we're trying to get things done to get the car started, as well as like get body parts and whatever. So that's what I'm trying to show you. We're not sleeping. We're still here. Just little steps. So till next time. See you guys later. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Follow us on Instagram. Comment below if you want stickers or something. So, all right, we'll talk to you later. Bye.